Hello kids! Today we are exploring the amazing, floating world of colorful soap bubbles. Bubbles are made of thin layers of soapy water and trapped air inside them. Look at this giant bubble wand making a huge, shimmering soap bubble in the air. Did you know that bubbles are always round because of a force called surface tension? Surface tension acts like a stretchy skin holding the air inside the bubble firmly. When you blow into a wand, the air gets caught in the soapy film. Soap makes the water stretchier so the bubbles can grow bigger and bigger now. Look closely at the surface to see all the swirling, beautiful rainbow colors moving. These colors come from light bouncing off the inner and outer soap layers together. Let's see how many tiny bubbles we can make with a very small wand. Bubbles love to float on the wind and travel high into the sky today. Why do bubbles pop? They pop when the water between the layers evaporates quickly. Touching a bubble with a dry finger will also make it pop very instantly. But if your hand is wet, the bubble might stay whole and bouncy instead. We can make bubbles in different shapes using many types of fun wands today. Even if the wand is a square, the bubble will still become round quickly. Nature makes bubbles too, like the foam you see on the ocean waves crashing. Some sea creatures use bubbles to catch food or hide from other larger animals. The bubble net used by whales is a clever way to catch many fish. Snails in the water make bubble rafts to float on the surface very easily. Let's try making a bubble inside another bubble for a really cool science trick. You can use a straw to blow a bubble inside a bigger one carefully. Frothy bubbles in your bathtub make cleaning up so much more fun every day. Bubbles can even freeze if the air outside is very, very cold indeed today. Frozen bubbles look like crystal balls with beautiful ice patterns growing inside them. Did you know some spiders live in bubbles underwater to breathe air easily now? They carry a bubble down to their silk web like a tiny air tank. Bubbles are very light because they are mostly filled with invisible, light air. Gravity pulls on bubbles, but the air around them helps them to float. If you blow a bubble gently, it will drift slowly through the quiet garden. Watch what happens when a bubble lands on a soft, green blade of grass. It might sit there for a moment before it goes pop and disappears forever. Using different soaps can change how long our beautiful bubbles will last now. Glycerin is a secret ingredient that makes bubbles extra strong and very stretchy. Let's see how a bubble machine creates hundreds of bubbles every single minute. It looks like a magical snowstorm of shiny, floating spheres in the park. You can even use your hands to shape a bubble if they are soapy. Bubbles are used in science to study how light and liquids work together. Even the tiny bubbles in your soda are made of carbon dioxide gas bubbles. Bubbles make everyone smile, from little babies to big grown-ups in the world. They are simple wonders that teach us about the magic of the natural world. Next time you see a bubble, think about the science inside the shine. We learned that bubbles are round, colorful, and held together by surface tension. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning with us. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye. Keep on blowing those happy bubbles.